Alright guys, so here we have it, the complete debadge, and headlights and tail lights, smoked out tints are done. We got this amber delete right here, came out nice and clean. Emblem looks way better with that. And let's check out what we did to the rear. Oh, first of all, so we got the wheel center caps Kia deleted right there with some vinyl as well. And this is a complete debadge, so no Kia signs all of this. You won't even know it's a Kia, even though we take pride that Kia did a really good job on this car. But we want to just show it off as a Stinger, so here we go. We debadged the all-wheel drive here, we debadged that. We kept the GT on there, smoked out taillights, smoked out the side markers. She went ahead and bought the Stinger emblem, and we smoked that out with Plasti Dip. And again, the tail light tint. But yeah guys, complete debadge of this car. Pretty fun. We do have a vinyl sticker decal for the steering wheel coming in. One of my boys from Cali is sending that over. I will be shouting him out on my Instagram, so make sure you guys check that out. He has a lot of cool stuff for these cars. He has a Stinger club, so shout out to homeboy GT Stinger on Instagram. And yeah, catch you guys later.